So we will continue the lecture series of engineering drawing. In our previous video, we already discussed about what are the need we just want to study this particular subject. Okay. So in this video, it will be continuation of our previous video. Okay. So we already seen in our previous video. So what are the importance? What are the need we just want to this particular subject? How in that we talk about these points and what are the applications of engineering drawing subject in the various departments. Like we just want to using engineering drawing in civil engineering, mechanical engineering, and electrical engineering. In electrical engineering, we just develop the board, the electrical circuit. So the circuit itself. Software we are using so many software which are using for separate department. Okay, so electrical engineering design software by using create their circuit design. Okay, so and also same as easy and computer science they are dealing with so much of program and all, but they are using a laptop and PCs. No, those things we just want to develop by using a manufacturing sector only. Am I right? So creation of the computer laptop. So these are using a design by using a design that product using a design by without a designing knowledge of certain product we can't develop any of the products. Okay, so that is very important thing. Okay, so the very important applications those are all the very important applications. You already know if you are construction any type of building also we just want to need the application of engineering drawing. We just want to design the layout first. Am I right? So design the building layout. So without construction layout, we can't be able to develop a good building. That is the thing. Okay. So these are all the applications, so various applications of engineering drawing. Okay. So the design, we all know that. So in the design criteria, okay, we just want to. I told the previous video we already discussed. So we are getting feedback of customers. If you are developing any one product now, we just want to getting a feedback from the customer. So if the particular product is available in the market, okay, the same type of product we just want. We are also producing the same product now. So definitely customers just want to looking for the not only price value and also they are using their product life. Okay, there are various segments are available. So they just want to see product life and how the quality of the particular product and what are the and also the cost also is very important. Apart from the cost, the durability, quality of the product is very important. Okay, so those things in those areas we just want to concentrate. Okay, so then only we can definitely give some differentiation between the old product which is available in previously in market and also what are the products we just want to produce in a new. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so now we just want to see these are all the applications. Okay, now what are the primary thing we just want to develop any one product now? How we just want to design one product. Okay, so what is the first thing we just want to do? Okay, so what are the things in our mind for the particular product? Okay, we just want to visualize it. Visualization is very important. Okay, in this particular subject, the visualization and creativity skill is very important. So then only we can using those skills we can develop the product in our mind through in our hand. No, we just want to draw the diagram first. Okay, so these are the simple layout of the particular any one product. Okay, we just want to draw the diagram now. So the diagram is very important. So that is the first thing in this particular subject we just want to need to know. So the engineering drawing which is nothing but the engineers the representation of graphical representation. So the graphical representation is very important for this subject. So graphical representation. Okay. So the graphical representation is the way of communication for engineers. So the graphical representation is nothing but the drawing. Okay. So the drawing, there are various types of drawings which are available. What do you know? Okay, so first and foremost things we already know that by using Leonardo da Vinci, these are all the members, they are using an artistic drawing. So the artistic drawing also they are using their creativity and skill and visualization skill, and through this only they can develop so much of drawings. Am I right? So, but in engineering drawing, we are using to develop the drawing by using a certain technical. By using a technical manner, we just want to develop a diagram. So that is a technical drawing. Okay. So these are the two types of drawing we already know that. One is artistic drawing, the other one is technical drawing. Okay. So in this artistic drawing, we already know that we all members we are using in our human life in any point of time. We just want to using a pencil or pen by using to develop or simply draw the diagram. Am I right? So whatever the things in our mind, we just want to by using a diagram. So that is nothing but the graphical representation. That's all. Okay. So how we just want to develop to show the graphical representation. How to show the graphical representation. Okay. We will see.